As you approach your 50s, understanding retirement income becomes crucial for ensuring a secure financial future. Many people underestimate the importance of planning, but those who take the time to educate themselves can significantly enhance their quality of life in retirement. Imagine enjoying your golden years without financial stress, traveling, or pursuing hobbies you love. This video will provide valuable insights and tips to help you navigate the complexities of retirement income. Whether you're just starting to plan or are nearing retirement, there's something here for everyone. Stay tuned as we explore essential strategies, share relatable stories, and break down the key components of retirement income. Your future self will thank you for the knowledge you gained today, so let's dive in. Imagine embarking on a long journey without a map or the right tools. Retirement planning is much like preparing for that adventure. Just as you wouldn't set off without knowing your route or packing essentials, planning for retirement requires the right knowledge and resources. You need to understand where you're headed financially and what you'll need along the way. Having a solid plan can make the difference between a comfortable journey and a bumpy ride. Think of your retirement savings as your travel gear, your income sources as the fuel, and your financial literacy as the compass guiding you. By equipping yourself with the right tools and insights, you can navigate the complexities of retirement, ensuring you reach your destination with confidence and peace of mind. Meet John and Mary, a couple in their late 50s, who faced financial uncertainty as retirement approached. With a modest income and rising expenses, they knew they needed a plan. They began by assessing their income sources, including Social Security, pensions, and their savings. By understanding these elements, they realized they could maximize their Social Security benefits and strategically withdraw from their savings. They also attended workshops on financial literacy, learning to budget effectively. This proactive approach not only alleviated their financial stress, but also enhanced their quality of life. With a solid plan in place, John and Mary now look forward to retirement adventures, knowing they can enjoy their golden years without the burden of financial worries. Their story illustrates the power of preparation. Understanding the key sources of retirement income is essential for financial stability. First, Social Security provides a foundational income, helping retirees cover basic living expenses. It's based on your work history and contributions, so the more you earn during your career, the higher your benefits will be. Next, pensions offer a steady income stream from an employer, typically based on your salary and years of service. While not as common today, they can significantly enhance financial security. Finally, personal savings, including savings accounts and investments, play a crucial role. These funds can be drawn upon as needed, allowing for flexibility in spending. Together, these sources create a safety net, ensuring that retirees can maintain their lifestyle and cover essential costs without financial stress. Wealth distribution among retirees reveals significant disparities influenced by various factors. Income levels play a crucial role. Those with higher earnings often enjoy more substantial retirement savings. Education also impacts financial security, as individuals with advanced degrees typically have better job prospects and higher lifetime earnings. Race is another critical factor, with studies showing that minority groups often face systemic barriers that limit their wealth accumulation. For instance, Black and Hispanic retirees frequently have lower net worth compared to their white counterparts, affecting their retirement comfort. These disparities highlight the importance of addressing financial literacy and access to resources. Understanding these differences can empower individuals to take proactive steps toward securing their financial future, regardless of their background or circumstances. The bottom 25% of households in terms of net worth face significant financial challenges that can complicate their retirement. Many of these households struggle to accumulate savings, often relying heavily on Social Security benefits as their primary source of income. This reliance can create a precarious situation, as Social Security may not cover all essential expenses, leading to tough choices between healthcare, housing, and daily living costs. Additionally, these households often lack access to employer-sponsored retirement plans or financial literacy resources, making it even harder to build wealth. With limited savings and high expenses, they may find themselves living paycheck to paycheck, facing uncertainty about their financial future. Understanding these challenges is crucial for developing strategies to improve their financial stability and overall quality of life in retirement. The lower middle class typically has a net worth ranging from $25,000 to $100,000. This group often faces significant challenges when it comes to saving for retirement. Many individuals in this category struggle to set aside enough money due to high living costs, stagnant wages, and unexpected expenses. Financial literacy becomes crucial as it empowers them to make informed decisions about budgeting, investing, and saving. Without this knowledge, they risk relying solely on Social Security benefits, which may not be sufficient to cover their needs. By understanding financial principles, they can better navigate their circumstances and work towards a more secure retirement. This demographics journey highlights the importance of education in achieving financial stability and preparing for the future. For Americans aged 65 and older, the median net worth reveals a significant divide in financial security. On one hand, those who have successfully built wealth often enjoy a comfortable retirement, with assets that allow for a more relaxed lifestyle. On the other hand, many seniors find themselves struggling with net worth figures that barely cover essential expenses. This disparity highlights the critical importance of financial planning throughout one's life. Without proactive measures, many individuals may face challenges in their golden years, relying heavily on Social Security and minimal savings. The contrast between the wealthy and those less fortunate serves as a wake-up call for everyone to prioritize financial literacy and planning. By understanding these dynamics, individuals can better prepare for a secure and fulfilling retirement. The median income for retiree households plays a crucial role in determining their ability to cover essential expenses. For many retirees, this income often comes primarily from Social Security, which may not fully meet their needs. Understanding the median income helps retirees gauge their financial landscape and make informed decisions. With rising healthcare costs and everyday living expenses, many find themselves struggling to maintain their standard of living. This highlights the importance of diversifying income sources, including pensions and personal savings. By comprehensively understanding these income streams, retirees can better plan for their financial future, ensuring they can cover necessities like housing, food, and healthcare. Ultimately, awareness of their median income empowers retirees to navigate their financial challenges more effectively. Retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs play a crucial role in ensuring a comfortable lifestyle during retirement. These accounts allow individuals to save and invest money specifically for their retirement years, often with tax advantages that enhance growth. A 401k typically involves employer contributions, which can significantly boost savings. Meanwhile, IRAs offer flexibility in investment choices, allowing for tailored strategies. By maximizing contributions to these accounts, retirees can create a substantial nest egg that supplements other income sources, such as Social Security. This financial cushion is essential for covering everyday expenses, healthcare costs, and maintaining desired living standards. Understanding how to effectively utilize these accounts can empower individuals to enjoy their retirement without financial stress, ensuring they can live the life they've envisioned. To be in the top 25% of Americans in terms of net worth, you need to have around $1 million or more. This figure can create unrealistic expectations for many, especially when public perceptions suggest that retirement savings should be easily attainable. The reality is that achieving this financial milestone often requires years of disciplined saving and investing, which can feel overwhelming. Many individuals may believe that simply contributing to a retirement account will suffice, but the truth is more complex. Factors like income level, expenses, and unexpected life events can significantly impact one's ability to save. As a result, it's crucial to have a realistic understanding of what financial success looks like and to plan accordingly, rather than succumbing to societal pressures and misconceptions about retirement wealth. The retirement savings landscape in America reveals a troubling divide, especially among the bottom 50% of households. Many in this group struggle to save adequately for retirement, often relying almost entirely on Social Security benefits. This reliance can lead to significant financial insecurity, as Social Security alone may not cover essential expenses. The implications are profound. Without sufficient savings, these individuals face tough choices about housing, healthcare, and daily living. Furthermore, the lack of financial literacy exacerbates this issue, leaving many unaware of how to improve their situation. As we examine these disparities, it becomes clear that understanding and addressing retirement savings is crucial for fostering financial security and stability for all Americans, particularly those in the most vulnerable positions. Net worth and annual spending are two essential components of financial health, especially in retirement. Net worth represents the total assets minus liabilities, essentially what you own versus what you owe. On the other hand, annual spending refers to the money you use each year to cover living expenses. Aligning these two is crucial for sustainable financial health during retirement. If your annual spending exceeds your net worth, it can lead to financial strain and insecurity. Conversely, if your net worth is significantly higher than your spending, it indicates a comfortable cushion for unexpected expenses. Striking a balance ensures that retirees can enjoy their golden years without the stress of financial uncertainty. Understanding this relationship allows for better planning and a more secure retirement lifestyle. Working with financial advisors can be a game changer for your retirement planning. These professionals bring expertise and personalized strategies that cater to your unique financial situation. By utilizing advanced planning tools, they can help you visualize your financial future, assess risks, and identify opportunities for growth. A tailored financial strategy not only addresses your immediate needs, but also prepares you for unexpected challenges. Advisors can guide you through complex decisions regarding investments, tax implications, and estate planning. This collaboration ensures that your retirement plan aligns with your goals, whether it's traveling the world or enjoying quality time with family. Remember, investing in professional guidance can significantly enhance your financial security, making your retirement journey smoother and more fulfilling. As we wrap up today's discussion, remember that understanding retirement income is crucial for securing your financial future. We've explored essential sources of income, the disparities in wealth distribution, and the importance of financial literacy. Each of these elements plays a vital role in shaping your retirement experience. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe, like, and share this video to help others embark on their financial education journey. Your support allows us to continue providing insights that can empower you and your loved ones. Don't forget to explore our related content for even more tips and strategies that can enhance your financial planning. Together, we can navigate the complexities of retirement and work towards a more secure future. Thank you for watching.